Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming Windows 11 is up to date and switch to dark theme to reduce visual noise. This gives a clean base. Next, export or save your current wallpapers and icon packs so you can revert if needed. Once done, install a lightweight launcher and rainmeter to apply skins quickly. These tools let you change layout, widgets, and system info at once. Make sure to run installers as administrator for smooth setup and fewer permission prompts. Now you'll refine the interface. Apply a cohesive wallpaper and pick an accent color that matches. Adjust taskbar blur and set roughly 1/2 opacity for depth. Install your chosen icon, pack, and use a simple tool to change system fonts and start layout so everything reads as intended. Next, configure rainmeter skins and widgets for CPU, calendar, and quick shortcuts, then enable auto start so your layout loads instantly. This creates a polished, unified desktop that feels intentionally designed. Finish by polishing performance. Reduce unnecessary animations, limit startup apps, and pick a power plan that balances visuals and responsiveness so the system feels snappy. Tweak File Explorer settings, assign hotkeys for widgets or launchers, and create a system restore point or backup before finalizing changes. If something breaks, first roll back to the saved theme or disable the custom shell. Restore your backed up wallpapers and icon packs. This approach lets you experiment safely while keeping a fast, attractive Windows 11 setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.